How to use grid trading on Binance. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Binance grid trading, how to use it and what are the different features and tools you get. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to binance.com and you will get right here on this platform. Binance is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell and trade in crypto. Binance just not allows you to sell crypto or buy crypto. It has a lot of different options, such as we get trading. In trading, we have spot, margin, P2P, and others. We are also getting futures right here on Binance, and then we get our own NFT marketplace. Today's tutorial will be covering Binance grid trading, and I'll show you how to use Binance. Before we get into the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, trading in different tokens involves a high degree of risk and whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand crypto and trading, then you can use Binance. This video is a Binance tutorial for you guys so that you know how to use Binance to do grid trading. That being said, let's get into the video. So once you are on Binance.com, of course, the first step is registering for the platform if you do not have an account already. So you can register really easily by just clicking on this register option and then you will be able to sign up. Now the signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your phone or email, or you can use your Apple or Google. So once you sign up or you use email or phone, we have two options and you have to verify your email address and you will have to verify your phone number. Then Binance will verify your identity and you will be able to create an account. So once you have an account in Binance, then you will be able to use all the features really easily and enjoy grid trading. So once you are here, when it comes to the trading, grid trading, we know that grid trading means we will be able to make profit with fluctuating prices in the market. And when it comes to grid, we have different options available on Binance, and we are getting our futures and spot grid trading as well. To access them, you can simply go to the derivatives and you can go to futures directly or go to trade and you will be able to find all the trading options. Once you get to your trading, then I think the perfect example is going to be BTC BUSD perpetual. So let's open it up. So this is the window that we get, and you can see it looks a little complicated to you even if you are a beginner. So let me show you around how it works on Binance. So the first thing that we did was selecting our perpetual from here. But if you want to switch to another perpetual, you can just simply go and select from this drop down menu. You can see we have different perpetual, one with Ethereum, BNB, then we have USDT and others. You will be able to check their 24-hour volume and last price right here. So I have selected BTC and BUSD perpetual, and this is the live price at the time of making this video. You will be able to see your coin that you have selected right here, and then you will be able to check a comparison between different coins right here in this bar. Then we are getting the mark value right here, index, funding in countdown, 24-hour change, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, and 24-hour volume BTC. So this is the all information about our perpetual that we have selected here about our coin. This is the mark value right here and index. Then we're getting this window right here, which is our trading view. So you can see right here, first of all, we select a timeline. We can go with any time we like. If you want to get a 15-minute view, then you can go with this one, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day. We even have 6 hours, 8 hours, 1 week, and 1 month. I prefer 1 day or 1 month because that gives you an idea that how your coin and how your perpetual is doing throughout the day. And you can see right here, the prices were high and now it's getting low. And you will be able to check all the things right here on each of the point. Once you select a point, it gives you all of the volumes and different margin rates. We are also getting a technical indicator right here. Then we have bars, candles, a line, area, and baseline, snapshot, and a compare option. Now the compare option comes in really handy if you want to compare your coin with another perpetual. So you just enter your company comparison or add a symbol, and you'll be able to compare your perpetual that you have selected to others. You can also select the last price, mark price, and index price from here. We can also switch to an original view and a depth view if we want. We can also expand the window to get a very clear view of this trading view right here. Then we're getting charts, 1 chart and 4 chart here. Now this is our window right here, and you can see right here, this is the perpetual last price, and these are the different points where I can go. When it comes to using different tools, we get a lot of different tools on Binance. We are getting forex, trend lines, pitchforks, then we have brushes, text, pattern, long position, icons, measure, zoom in and zoom out. So these different options and tools help us mark different prices, and we actually do that a lot in trading, and especially in grid trading where we have to mark each of the fluctuating price, and we have to keep track when the prices are changing. So we simply use any of these tools and we can mark our different positions where we would like to invest, or even if we want to do both trading. Then we have order book right here. So this is going to be the again live price right here. We're getting size and sum. If we go trade right here, then you will be able to see the price and amount time for a trade, and we can simply check them out. This is where we work. Now you can see right here, when it comes to trading, we are getting limit, market, and spot limit. So what you have to do is you will be able to check the price right here, and you can enter your price, whatever you would like. And then you enter the size. We can also select a percentage if we want. And then you just click on simple create and it creates. You can also mock a trading if you want. We are also getting the cross trading option and 20x right here. If you want to go with the market, then you can again select the size and percentage and click on create, and you will be able to invest in one of the perpetual you want. Similarly, if we scroll down, then I will be able to check a volume right here, a volume view, which is going to be a bar graph, and it also gives us volume, and you'll be able to check the highest and the lowest. This is the trade view, and then we're getting our margin ratio right here. If you want to check your history of your positions, open orders, order history, trade history, transactional history, and assets, you will be able to check them right here below your graph. We are also getting our assets right here, and with the assets that we have, we can directly buy crypto, convert, and transfer. So using grid trading is really easy on Binance with all the tools and features given here. The options are pretty good, and there are plenty of more options that you can avail and different methods that we can use. But this is like a very basic tutorial for you guys to let you know that how you can do grid trading on Binance. Now it's really easy to use. We can also select different perpetual from here. We are getting coins, and we get strategy trading where we can go to spot trading, futures grid, and more. Then we have information right here, and you can get information on any of the different rates from here. We are also getting our activity, leaderboard, earn bonus, and battle here. And then you can also go to settings and you can change the theme for your Binance if you want. Then we have our other options such as advanced, full screen, and multi-simple. So you can switch between different layouts as well. Now you know how to do grid trading on Binance. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.